Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I had some technical difficulties with recording this video, so you're going to kind of see me start off with my bronzer because I already did my foundation and concealer. So this is a kind of a fiery sunset look, and if you want to see how I achieved it, then just keep watching. I'm going to go in with my Bye Bye Pores bronzer by It in the color Beach and just bronze up those cheeks a bit. I'm then going to go in with my Becca blush and highlighter duo and go ahead and blush my cheeks. I'm a sucker for a bronzed and blushed nose. I don't know why, I've just always liked the look, I guess. So next I am going to go in with a fluffy brush and into my NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette and dip into this yellow color right over here and put that all over my lid. I'll zoom you guys in. Guys, I like literally never wear colors, so I think having an eyeshadow that is a buildable formula, I actually kind of like it just because it's not like super blunt and harsh. I don't like that I have to use so much product though in order for it to actually show up on my eye. And maybe it's just the yellow because I am such a darker color. So after I've done the yellow, I am going to then go in with this orange color down here. I'm then going to go back in with that yellow and just blend out the top of any harsh lines. Then going to go in with this darker orange there and put that just in the corner. Then I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush and just kind of blend out any harsh lines that I have in between those colors. I'm then going to go in with my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and go in with Primavera, which is a nice gold shimmer, and put that on my eyelid with a flat eyeshadow brush. Then I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush and blend out any harsh lines. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX Vinyl Liquid Black Eyeliner. Then going to go in with my fluffy and put that lighter orange color on my lower lash line. I'm then going to take my small fluffy and go back in with that darker orange. Then going to go back into that Modern Renaissance palette and take my small fluffy, and I'm going to go into Vermeer and Primavera and lighten up those inner corners. I'm going to go in with my Infallible Mechanical Liner and tightline my upper and lower lash line. have no idea when that stopped recording, so this may not be posting at all. I just recorded a whole video and didn't even have it recording, so that's cool. Then we are going to go in with a fiery red lip. So this is the finished look. It was a rough one, I'm not gonna lie. I had to redo the lash once or twice. My camera stopped recording, my battery died. But other than that, this is the finished look. I am loving how these eyes turned out. Like that's pretty bomb. I kind of want to leave it on for the rest of the night. I have an engagement party to go to. And so they're getting Sunset Sabrina, so didn't record half of this, so that's cool. So